Now gently begin to sit in Vajrasana with your knees slightly wide apart, and slowly inhale, lift your arms all the way up, creating length in your spine, and begin to come into child's pose. Now basically just relax yourself once you're ready. Inhale, slide your body all the way forward so that your butt comes all the way up in the air and your chest is touching the mat, so it creates a lot of room for your shoulders to open up, and just keep on breathing. So your breath is really important in the posture. And once you want to release the posture, inhale, slide your arms all the way back and relax in child's pose.
From a comfortable sitting posture, come into the box position. Keep the wrist directly under the spine, under the shoulders, the knees in line with the palms, directly under the hip. The movement is only in the back and not in the limbs. As you inhale, you drop the back down, the head up. Exhale, you arch your back up, look at your knees. Inhale, exhale. You can continue to do this how many ever times you feel like. Inhale and exhale. Sit back whenever you feel like there is too much pressure on your wrist. This also will improve strength in your arms and your legs, as well as strengthening the back. Coming back into a comfortable box position, wrists are directly under the shoulders, knees in line with the palms. Looking forward, focusing on a point in front of you. Inhale, lift the right arm, left leg up, one long line of energy. Exhale, down. Left arm, right leg up, exhale, down. You can do this 5 times on each side, last time holding and down, the other side holding and down. If you feel you are not steady on this, with this, because pregnancy also shifts your center of balance, you can keep the toes tucked in like this while you are lifting up, so that you can give yourself a little more steadiness in your posture. The other variation of the cat and the cow is to come back into the comfortable box position, wrist directly under the shoulders, knees in line with the palms. Lifting only happens in the leg. You lift the right leg up, bend, exhale, down. Left leg up, bend, exhale, down. In this, what is very important to see is that your hip is not moving to the side like this when you lift up. Rather, it's square to the shoulders. Exhale, down. This strengthens the back. The minute you begin to open the hip, it does not do anything for your back. So, see to that the hips are square to the shoulders when you lift the leg up, and exhale, come back down.
to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. You want to release the posture. Exhale, gently put your hips down to the mat and relax in Shavasana.